So welcome to our Florida 2022 vlog. I'm Pete.
And I'm Lauren, aka Lozzie.
And we're super excited to bring you along with the journey.
So excited,
it's been so much fun editing these, isn't it? Looking back
already.
Yeah.
So yeah, we hope you enjoy them. Like us, subscribe to us, and here we go.
It's packing day for Florida, finally. So just getting all the bits and bobs done now. Getting all the clothes packs and all the essentials, making sure we got the park tickets, Esther's, everything like that. So just making sure we've double checking that we've got everything. So yeah, everything is getting packed. That's such man packing right there. I will tidy it up though. Lauren's her birthday on Saturday, so we fly out Friday morning, get there Friday afternoon local time. Then the plan is to go to Epcot, and then go to obviously Magic Kingdom for her birthday and everything like that. Now, one thing she doesn't know is at the end of her birthday day, my plan is to propose. Okay, so I've had this ring since 2019, and it's been waiting for this for so long. So here it is, the ring. It's come in a lovely case. Look at this. So look at that. So that is the plan. So I'm making sure I'm packing it. I'm not going to show you guys the ring, even though this will go out after the proposal, so she still would have seen it before you guys, but I'm still not going to show you the ring. I'll let her show you the ring. So so yeah, but it's one that she's wanted, so I know that she'll like it. So exciting times. Also, it comes with like all this information, like there's a care card in there and stuff, and then like obviously like the receipt and stuff. But it came with this card, and it's like actually stuck down, and I don't actually know what it is. So since 2019 I've had this card, and I haven't opened it, so I don't actually know what's in it. So I'm gonna have to give that to her, because I feel like she needs to open that. It'll probably be something really rubbish, but like, or it might just be like a little congratulations card from Beaver Brooks or something. But yeah, I haven't opened it, so I'll give that to her as well. So it is 5:45 AM on Friday, the 17th of June. It's time to go to the airport. Off to Heathrow, so we can go to Florida. Where is she? There she is.
Oh my God,
I'm your outfit.
Sick with excitement, actually.
Outfit of the day.
I can't see my leggings, I need to put it down. Look at these. I have got a matching jumper, but I'm going to melt if I wear that. It's boiling.
It is really hot.
So I can't wait.
See, I'm rocking the jean shorts already, because it's just, yeah. Can we just appreciate that amazing Iron Man picture was painted by Lauren's sister.
I've got shorts in my bag in case I get hot. Sorry,
signed Jason Momoa Lisa. Just appreciate that, shall we? So off to Florida. Exciting times. My parents are about to.
Sorry, I'm just rambling in the background.
You are, yeah.
I haven't even had a Rice Krispies yet.
Not even had a Rice Krispies
That's coming up. Oh.
So we've got my parents are coming to pick us up, so we don't have to worry about driving and parking, leaving the car there, or getting a hotel and all that malarkey. And then your parents are picking us up, right?
Yeah.
On the way back. But yeah, parents will be here in anytime soon.
Quick.
So I think she's a bit excited.
Bye.
We are all checked in. Go through security. Look at her.
I feel like it's going to be so weird.
Living the dream.
Just go like that. To make like a montage of my many.
You just pulling faces.
And I've got my jumper on now. It was a bit chilly, so I had to put it on.
We'll do a proper. It's good. It's good. Full outfit. So we're just getting breakfast in the Curator.
Extra toast.
The guy was like, mine comes with toast. And then he was like, do you want extra toast? I was like, I'll just have it as it comes. I was like, extra toast? As it comes.
I feel like we're just going to have
extra toast.
piles.
We're just going to have loads of toast.
We're just going to have all this nice angle, all the toast. And I've got a mimosa. It's my birthday tomorrow.
Outrageous.
I know, who am I?
Just FYI, it's like 20
it's
to 9.
Juice. It's like on Christmas. It's like at Christmas, isn't it? You know? And my birthday, it's basically Christmas tomorrow. It's Christmas today. I'm so hungry.
We are starving. Can't wait to eat. Nom 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 nom.
And we get our own. Oh, it's remote.
So excited.
Look at that.
Are we on the Airbus?
Yeah.
We're in a 2. Unheard of.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh my god, that looks so tight.
So
3 hours
bright.
sleep.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm very happy for our sleep. See you soon. This will be a good transition. It's a bit tricky to put back in. Oh, I figured it out. I had a bit of an issue there. Oh no, you can't do it. Come on, get it right. What are you like, okay? What are you like?
You pull it out.
Go on, do a demonstration like an advert. Oh, lovely. You're having a good time. What was just over your telly?
People are so inconsiderate.
Oh god. Hold it. Hold it. Oh god.
Can we upgrade?
Oh dear, oh god, you're off now. You were right there. You're trying to cut the rope. Already finished your chicken stew.
I might love butter.
Dip it in the butter. Where you dip it in? Dip it in. Got a chocolate pot as well. We swapped seats, didn't we? We weren't very comfortable. We watched natural, is that it? Natural.
So we're here, we're landed, we're in Orlando. We've just got through border control. We've got the carousel broke, and we were so lucky, like literally. Ours were like, yeah, 2 of the first like 20. So we actually got our cases. People are still waiting there, and then we got the little monorail to here to Orlando International Main Terminal. We're here. very cool.
Yeah. Alright.
Amazing.
Have a good day.
And you? Your first thoughts on the hotel, Lauren?
It's massive. It's massive. It's so cool. I'm so excited. And there's a parrot.
There's a parrot just there, just chilling.
Just cut me off when I was talking about my crisps.
Sorry.
Charming.
What were you saying?
I was talking about having some crisps in the room.
Living the dream. We've got to check in now. So here we are in the room. Oh, look at Lauren chilling. So let's have a little room moo shiroo. This is our lovely shower. Our towels. Nice little sink. The toilet's just hiding around there. Oh, there's no. I suppose this is where the door is. So, and then we've got our. What's in here? Oh yeah, we've got a safe. An ironing board. An iron. And then into the main area.
Look at
The
this.
size of that telly.
Stop it.
That is amazing.
I can't deal with this room.
The size of that bed.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
We can fit like 4 people on there.
Who wants to come
Sofa.
round?
You got a phone. We got a
Got
little
my
fridge.
champagne.
Oh, little fridge down there.
Chicken. Got with some champagne.
Look at her living the
Carry
dream.
up with all my suitcases and everything.
And then the pièce de résistance.
This is amazing. I can't believe we've got a balcony.
This is our balcony.
Oh,
Oh, and this is our view from the balcony. Look at that.
wow.
Well, it's safe to say,
Look at that view.
well, you
That's
can
my
do
dad's straight.
canoeing, kayaking. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Have to have a little look around the resort later. So, look at her loving her crisps. So, what do you think of the hotel?
It's salty.
The hotel's salty.
It's amazing. I love it. And I'm so excited. And we're going to Epcot today. We told the people on the plane and they thought we were mad. But, thank God, salty crisps. I don't know why. But yeah, it's incredible.
We have to do the bed test.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll rub them. Here we go.
Shoes off, bag off. Ready?
3, 2.
Is it comfortable?
Oh, yes. Where are you sleeping? On the sofa?
Apparently.
You going on the sofa and
Cheers.
this will be mine. Oh yes. Look
Can
at
I-
the size of that telly. Everything's so much bigger in America. I love it.
Can I do a bed test? Are you going to film me?
You're on your bed, on the sofa. You can do your bed test here. That's your bed. That's where you're sleeping. Are you ready? Go on. Go on, that's it.
Oh, lovely.
Is that how you're going to sleep, is it?
Yeah,
Sitting
let's
like
have a
some...
little-
Why are you talking all posh?
Like this.
Are you cold? I'll get you a blanket, shall I?
No, I've got
From
aircon.
reception.
I won't be cold in Florida, you plum.
You're the plum. Are you ready? Go on. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh gosh, don't break it.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I can live this life.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's safe to say, I don't know what this angle will be like, but
You know,
we're happy, aren't we?
we are.
And we're going to Epcot. Just finished my crisps, get changed. Then we're going to Epcot. I can put some ears on. Put some ears on.
Ears straight on.
I can't
Get
do
'em on.
it. Look, your camera looks like a Mickey.
It
With the
does.
3 lenses.
Hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey. What do you want to say to finish?
We're finally here! Here we go. We've only just landed a matter of a few hours ago. And we're here.
Here we are. Got to make most of it.
Exactly. Here is the infamous waterfall that goes upwards. There's a water up, I think. Is that what it is? Comment below. Let us know what you think it is. Look at these epic flowers. That is unreal.
I feel like everyone's gonna just hear me saying, oh my god, I love it. Wow.
So our first ride is hopefully going to be Soarin'.
Yeah.
It didn't look like it was a very long wait because everyone else is going on like Remy's and
the new ones.
all the new ones. So let's give it a go. How excited are you, Lauren, for your first ride at Disney?
Very. I've heard good things about this one.
Nice work, pal. Soon you will be here.
So we've just done Soarin', first ride of the holiday.
That was such a good first ride.
What do you think?
So amazing. I loved it.
So good. And it definitely wasn't a 15-minute wait either. It was like 5 minutes.
Loads of people because there's only 2 of us. What a good start.
Do you like all the smells they pumped in and stuff?
So
Is that obviously, it has,
yes, if that's the word.
yeah.
I know what you said.
Because that ride is the sort of an original technology to Flight of Passage, which we're yet to ride. I've not even ridden an Animal Kingdom, so excited to see that and enjoy that. I love that ride. Soarin' is amazing. I'll have to get some food. Nom nom nom.
Priorities.
So we head into Germany. not do it justice at all. It's funny when you hear vloggers saying like it doesn't do it justice on camera. It's so true. Like the colours just aren't as crisp, you just don't get to see the detail. So your only option is to come yourself.
And see it for yourself with your own eyes.
It's true. True story. Get a book in. So we hope you enjoyed that on the episode 1.
All the memes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and here are some clips from day 2. Morning. So today is the big day. It's Lauren's birthday, and also the day that I'm proposing. Got your badge?
Yeah!
Birthday badge? Oh, that's very close.
Oh, is it?
It's been too long. How are you feeling, babe? On your birthday. Under the sea.
Is that nice? Look at this. Oh.
Ew. So now my hands are blue and sticky.